has been given to the more detailed structure of teams. Don't forget, as we talked about last time, all of the chat, any files are stored in the person's uploading its OneDrive. Yes, it is saved and permissions are given, but that is quite messy because you might be in a group chat and different people have uploaded files, so they're actually not sitting in the same place. With Teams, when you create a team, it creates an underlying group. So technically, it is a lot better than just setting up a group chat. And also, it creates an underlying SharePoint site. The way that I think of a team is almost like having WhatsApp with all the files, all in a really nicely organized manner. When I click on See All Your Teams, I have an option on the right-hand side of setting up a team, and I can set it up from a group, etc. Now, different organizations will set up teams to allow people to either create teams from specific groups, like you saw that option there, or potentially from scratch, or not at all. So you will have to refer to your organization's policy on creating teams. When you create a team, you get asked what the first channel in that team is going to be called. And this one has been called General. After that, you can add any other channels you like. Please note it's a good idea to understand who the owners are and the members of that team. So best practice is set up your team, decide on how that is being split out, and set up your channels. If I go to the three dots here, I can add channels. So if I just want to call this webinars, I can do so and choose a channel type. The majority of times, this may be a standard channel, and I ensure that everybody has it available and create that extra channel. So this means by having a separate channel, I can have conversations about the webinars and post files and store anything relating to webinars in one place. So based on successful deployment of Teams, people can move away from Outlook for internal communications. And if you set up your teams correctly, it means that you can go straight into the right channel in the right team and post information and more, which I will show you a little bit more of in this webinar. So another one that I'm going to do is I'm going to set up another channel called confidential info. And I'm going to put that as a private channel. Now you'll see I get asked who I want to be in that private channel. I have picked Phil, and that has got a padlock next to it. So anybody that can see that padlock knows that they are in a channel that not everybody necessarily has.